Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn to earn minds. Today, I've got something super cool to show you. An AI music generator. Yep, you heard that right. It's a computer program that helps us create music. We can tell the AI what kind of music we want by clicking some buttons. It's like telling a robot musician what to play. Let's start with something happy and fast. You heard that right. You begin by opening a browser window and typing suno AI. Click on the first website you see. Log in with your Google account. I've already signed up. Here's the interface you can see. There's been a lot of music generated here. Let's take a look at it.
Oh, my love.
There are many categories of songs. Click here to check plans. The basic plan is active at the moment. Here, you can earn 50 credits a day. The basic plan does not allow you to use this music commercially. If you purchase a pro plan, you can get 2,500 credits daily and use the music commercially. In the Premier plan, you can get 1,000 credits daily and use them anywhere. Let's go home. Then click on Create. Write your prompt here. I will write a modern song about love. Then click Create button. 2 songs will be generated at once. All of these songs have already been generated. One important thing I want to mention is that there are 2 modes for music generation. Here we are using the basic mode. We are in the process of creating our new song. It's going to take some time, but it's done. Let's check out the song.
I feel your heartbeat close to mine. Our love's electrics. Sparks align, you're my addiction. Can't get enough with you beside. I feel your heartbeat close to mine. Our love's electric. Sparks.
If you want to create only music, then turn on the instrumental option. Then click on Create to see that it has only generated music, no sound. We will now enable the custom mode.
Select Get Started.
Once you have clicked the I accept button, you will need to write the prompt or lyrics of the song. If you are unsure how to do this, go to ChatGPT. Ask it, write lyrics for my song about Mother's Day in English. You can ask for any language. The lyrics are generated.
Now copy it and paste it here.
You can choose the style of music. I'll create pop music. You can write a title for your song. I'll write Mother's Day. Click Create. Now the song has been generated. Check it out.
In the quiet of the morning with the sun's gentle glow, I think about the love that every mother knows. A tender hand, a soothing voice, guiding through the year. In the quiet of the morning with the sun's gentle glow, I think about the love that every mother knows.
If you wish to change the music style, you can do so from here. I have written rock music. Then click Create button. You can now see how it turned out.
In the quiet of the morning, the sun's gentle glow, I think about the love. In the quiet of the morning, make the sun's gentle glow.
Let's try another style. This time I'll write fast music. Let's see what it produces.
Quiet of the morning.
If you want only music, turn on Instrumental button.
If you want to download music, click here. There are two options. Audio, video. First, we download in audio. You can see the result.
Quiet of the morning, the sun's gentle glow. Think about the love that every
If you want to download in video, click on video. This is the result.
In the quiet of the morning, the sun's gentle glow. Think about the love that every mother knows.
So, what do you think? Isn't it amazing what we can do with the technology these days? Let me know in the comments what kind of music you'd make with this AI. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.